channel for yet another video, and today I have something very interesting, and this is something which is really good for the beauty community itself. And being part of this community and being a beauty vlogger myself, I feel so proud and so happy to get this PR from Smashbox. And Smashbox has collaborated with none other than the biggest beauty vlogger right now is Malvika Sitlani. So this is the Smashbox plus Malvika Sitlani's Always On Mini Match Duo. This is available on Nykaa. I'll have it in the description box below so if you guys want to go and shop. Sorry. So they basically have these two mini lipstick duos, which is her favorite shades. One is the nude and one is her favorite, which is driver seat. And so basically it says that they last up to 8 hours and feel comfortable, and they look great on and off camera, which is true. So because I've tested it out yesterday, and it includes deluxe sizes of Smashbox best-selling Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in driver's seat, which is a warm pink. It is a bit different on my skin tone, so hence the reason why I'm making this video, because for me, I think it becomes very important for me to show you guys what it looks on my skin for a dusky skin, because it's very different, very different. And then we have Stepping Out, which is a deep nude. So this is a cool tone nude. So I'm just going to talk about them. But plus, thank you so much for sending this out, Malvika. It's really great. And then in the PR package itself, I'm going to show you guys what I received. So we have received this Smashbox sipper, like a tumbler. She is a huge fan of these kind of things, so I can always think of that. And plus we have a metal straw, which is hologram, so like it's hologram. Like, how beautiful is this? Then we also have received a letter from her. So basically she said that hey Margee, I'm super excited to be collaborating with you with my favorite brand Smashbox. Great, I feel confident and beautiful with these two shades, and now it's your turn to experience experience it every time you're stepping out. I can't wait for you to hop onto the driver's seat with me. So basically she has mentioned the two shades in this, and she said love Malvika Sitlani's and Smashbox. Guys, so in the carton we have two different shades. We have Stepping Out, and we have Stepping Out, and then we have driver's seat, which is her favorite. So this is what it looks like. I hope it's visible though. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to show you guys the wand very quickly. So this is a bit like on a peachy tone too for my skin. For my skin, it's a bit on a peachy side. And then we have Stepping Out. So Stepping Out is a bit more of a cool toned nude for my skin. So if you can see, so it's a very cool toned pink. If I would have to apply it like somewhere where I have like a bit of a lighter color, like right here, so it looks a bit different here. And then we have a different color right here, so brown girls. So once I'm done with that, what I'm going to do is firstly I'm just going to use this, I'm going to use driver's seat. So guys, this was driver's seat, and driver's seat is actually a bit more of a coral nude pink kind of a sort of color, and I understand why she likes this color, because this is really nice. A everyday kind of a color. You can wear it depending on what kind of a look that you're going for. It's really nice nude. It can work for for a lighter color, but for a deeper skin tone, it's much more on the coral side, and it's a bit different for a deeper skin color. So yeah. So it is lightweight, and it is very it is, however, a bit transfer proof, transferable. It might transfer, but not a lot. But yeah, I like this color. I haven't used this sort of color. I'm not really a huge fan of it, but this is a really nice color. Smashbox Always on liquid liner, liquid lipstick in Stepping Out. So this is a cool toned nude for a dusky skin. For a dusky skin, it's a cool toned nude. So okay guys, so this is the lipstick in Stepping Out, and this is a bit more of a mauve nude, cool tone nude for me. I don't really use these kind of colors, but this will look really good if you have a dark smoky eye, and then you have like something to, you know, just mattify your look. And I don't know how the camera is going to show this color, but this is a really nice cool tone nude. And on a lighter skin tone it looks a bit different, but on a dusky skin, so I like this color, but not on a regular nude kind of a color, because this is something which is very different for me. But I did really like Driver's Seat for my nude colors. This was the lipstick, and yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And sorry, let me just tell you guys, so they are available on Nykaa, so you guys can go and shop, and Nykaa is having their Pink Friday Sale, so you guys can go and shop from Nykaa. And they retail for 990 rupees, so almost like $1,000. So you get for $1,000 you get these two mini lipstick duos. And yes, so I think this is a really good steal if you want to create those two looks, going for nude to this kind of a color. And yes, so this was the review, and I really like the texture of it. The texture is really good. I've always been a fan of Smashbox liquid lipsticks. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I've shown you guys how the color looks on a dusky skin. But I would definitely prefer that you should buy it if you feel like, you know, going for a different kind of a nude. This is something new to try, because I don't have any kind of a nude something like this, which is like a cool tone nude, because I always go for a warm kind of a nude. So yes, so you guys can go and shop on Nykaa. I'll have it in the description box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay below, stay confident. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment box telling me how you like this video. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, feel free to write on any of my social media platforms. I'll be glad to help. And follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and I will see you guys later. Until then, stay below, stay confident, keep missing me, keep loving me, and I will see you guys later. Bye!